We recently saw some teas for the skin, foods to detox the skin, and even talked about exposure to blue light and how it can affect our skin's health. Did you watch these videos? Did you know that oiliness, excessive dryness, and even pimples are how the skin responds to some of your habits? See 6 habits that may be harming your skin. Using too many skin products. Alternating between skin products can be a challenge since new preservatives and ingredients can contribute to the appearance of acne and aggravate issues. It also includes products for acne, which can negatively affect your skin when used in excess. Instead of trying different products, try using 1 or 2 and give them time to produce results, okay? Not changing your skincare routine according to the season. Skincare changes a lot depending on the seasons since they affect the characteristics of the skin. During winter, due to low air humidity levels, the skin tends to get dry. Using astringents isn't recommended as it dries the skin even more. Hot showers are another thing that dries the skin during the coldest season of the year. During winter, we need to use creamier moisturizers. In summer, skin tends to get oily, so the steps are reversed. You still need to hydrate the skin, but with lighter serums. Another thing to consider is the dryness caused by pools, seawater, and the sun, or still some fungi on the skin, which is common during beach season. Letting hair products touch your skin. Many hair products, including shampoo and conditioner, can clog the pores of your skin and cause rashes, acne, pimples, and irritations in the scalp and face. This happens because hair products usually contain sulfates that clog the pores. To avoid this, opt for sulfate-free products. Also, for better protection, try using protective bands on your foreheads or covering your face with a towel the next time you use hair products. Toxins in your makeup remover. Another common cosmetic that clogs the pores and causes acne is the toxic ingredients found in makeup removers. Although makeup itself is already problematic, your routine for removing it can also contribute to irritating the skin. Thoroughly washing your face after using makeup removers to remove any residues after a long day. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Sleeping on your stomach. Your pillowcase absorbs everything, and when you sleep face down, your face gets pressed against everything stuck in your pillow, which causes acne and clogs your pores. Sometimes we drool while sleeping, especially when sleeping on our side, and that clogs our pores and makes the skin absorb things that cause acne breakouts and irritate the skin. Not washing your face in the morning. The buildup of oil, dirt, and bacteria is the result of a long night of sleep. While we sleep, the skin undergoes a repairing process that produces oil and toxins. Not cleaning this buildup in the morning ages the skin and directly contributes to wrinkles and even interferes in the action of some skin products, like sunscreens. That is why it is recommended to wash your face right in the morning, clean the pores, and start the day with fresh skin. Besides these habits, we recently talked about why you shouldn't use towels to dry your face. This is another tip to help you have pretty skin. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.